friends, today we are going to try GIDLE's Yuqi's nails in Oh My God MV without any tools. So firstly, we are going to apply red nail polish and let it dry. Then we are going to apply black nail polish on tips of all nails. It's okay to be messy. I am literally recording a nail tutorial after so many years, so I am messing up a lot. Sorry. I literally stained my bedsheet because I was so nervous. Once there is little to no nail polish left on black brush, then we are going to push the end of black nail polish that we already applied to give gradient-like effect. Just keep on repeating this step until the mid of nail comes or maybe a little more down. You know, in quarantine, we all are so much bored, so I thought that it's going to be so fun to try gradient without any tools. I usually use a tissue, but here I tried nothing. Apply top coat after nails dry. Then mix a little top coat in black polish in middle part of nails to give it a smoked like effect. Wipe the brush on tissue before dipping it back in top coat, and that's how you can create and try something fun in quarantine. I know it's messy, but it was fun to make a video after so many years. What do you guys think?